How to verify Coinbase account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can verify our Coinbase account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically verify your Coinbase account, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is just go ahead and then simply go to coinbase.com, and then you will see this little option that says verify your information. Now once you click on this little verify your information option, you can see verify your info. What you need here are a couple of details. You need your legal documents, your address details, and so on, and your verified phone number. So first, simply choose your country of citizenship over here, right? So I will just go ahead and simply select my particular country in this case as well. Once I do that, I'll click the submit option. Then as I've done that, it will ask me for other couple of informations. Now depending upon which country you're trying to do this from, your information could differ, so make sure to enter your legal date of birth that is on your documents. So make sure everything that you enter here is based on the legal documents, such as your driver's license or passport ID, or maybe your national citizenship ID. And once you enter all those details, click on the continue button, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then verify your Coinbase account. This way you can verify Coinbase account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.